Hello guys,
Today we're going to make our duck.
like this.
First step, let's remove it all first.
I already got this. That's why I did like it's making ducks.
Did you put the water here in the fridge?
So today I'm gonna start now without head. 1 and 2.
Need to make a line.
First, she will make a line. First, you need to make a line. Kasi, Mama, I want to make. See, like I want to make
And
it.
you ask
roll
your
it
mom.
like this.
Mama, I want to
And
make it.
like this. And after that, you will get this part and roll it 2 times.
I think this is okay for the long. And next is you just do like this.
She will show you
Roll
again if you don't
it.
understand.
Like this. Do like this. Stick it each other. And do like
Hey,
this to
I
the
have
neck.
a place for you.
Like that. We need to do it like that. After that, let's roll it 2
It's my
times.
place. It's my place, please. Oh, wow. Wow.
Like that. You can also make foam with this one, but not for slime. Okay, next is we're going to make the
She will show you lang.
pick.
I will make.
The beak.
For me, I'm gonna show you to make an elephant. Ay, this is
Later she will show how to make elephant.
And you
For the
show-
neck part 2.
Part 2 will come when I will make elefante. Kasi, like and subscribe to our video.
Wait, because we're going.
Channel.
Wait, because I'm going still going to make the eyes. So let's roll it. If you have giggly eyes, you can just put it. No need to.
You wanted my Play-Doh.
No, I did not roll it.
But you were quizzing it.
Yeah, because that's how. Do it.
Okay,
It will
today
stick.
I'm gonna
Don't do
Oh,
like
do like
that.